my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to keep cats and chickens from digging up your raised garden beds. Here's a clip from the show. So this bed I throwed my cat guards on, so it's sitting on here just in case my cats get in here, because man, cats will dig up your beds. And the neighbor's cats will dig up your bed, so even if you don't have cats, you might want cat guards. And it's just the cement mesh. It's got 6-inch holes, but it's enough to stop the cats, and actually it's enough to stop chickens too. So if you got chickens that have a chance to get into your beds, you can put your cat guards on for that as well. So that's a really good way to keep some of the critters out. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 1. And if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.